Good morning, students. In previous video, I told you exercise 10.2 and 10.3 from NCERT. In this video, I will explain exercise 10.4 and exercise 10.5. In exercise 10.4, three questions is there. Clear? One question I will explain, other you can do. But in 10.5, there is also three questions. Two question is different. Two I will explain. One you will do. Clear? So exercise 10.4. First question is construct triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Triangle A equal to 60 degree. Triangle B equal to 30 degree. AB equal to 5.8 centimeter. Clear? It is a question. In triangle ABC, angle is 60, angle is 30, AB equal to 5.8 centimeter. So in first exercise, we have learned how we will make parallel line. In second exercise, if three side is given, so how we will make a triangle with the help of protractor, compass and ruler. And in third exercise, when two side one angle is given, so how we will make triangle. In fourth exercise, we will learn if two angle and one side is given, then how we will make triangle. Clear? So that is also very easy. This type triangle first we will make rough sketch. Okay? Means rough sketch we will make. AB 5.8 centimeter. Clear? And it is angle B 30 degree, angle A 60 degree. Okay? So it is a rough sketch. Clear? Now here step of construction. Step of construction, I think you know that how you will write because I told you. Clear? So first of all, first step, draw a line segment 5.8 centimeter with the help of scale. So we will make a line segment AB. So first step, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment AB equal to 5. Second step, clear? With the B as a center, sorry, A as a center, clear? And we will take more than half distance, clear? And make one arc like this. Okay? Clear? Then name is D. We can write. Clear? After that, same radius, whatever radius you have taken From D we will cut one arc. So first arc it is a 60-degree angle. Clear? From D we have cut one arc, that is 60-degree angle. Clear? After that, angle be 30 degree. The second step we will like construct this. So this line is AE. Okay. So angle EAB equal to 60 degree. Construct angle EAB 60 degree. Third step, with V as a center, at the 30 degree how you will make? 60 half means if 60 degree angle, first we will make 60 degree angle. After that we will do half from B. Okay. B as a center. Then we will make one arm like this. Okay. So it is a F. This name is F. So first we will make 60 degree angle. Clear? 60 degree angle. So 60 degree angle, there is no need. Angle B how much? Angle is asking 60 degree. So we will make dotted line. Dotted line. Clear? It is temporary. Clear? After that, what we will do? Half of 60 degree. So half of 60. F. This name is G. Clear? F, between F and G, we will take more than half distance. After that, we will make one arc here, and from G, one more arc. G. From F, one arc here. Here, and from G, one more arc here. Clear? When you will make from pencil, it is very easy. So half of 60, it is a 30 degree. Okay? Clear? And this point, it is a name H. This line is H. So BH and AE, you will see cut intersect point is here. This point name is C. Clear? Clear to you? This point is C. The third step we will write construct angle HBA. HBA equal to 30 degree. Clear? The last fourth step, then join CB and join C. It is an intersect point of on AE line and on BH line. You will see it is an intersecting point. Clear? This point name we have taken C. Clear? So then triangle ABC is a required triangle. Okay? Again I am telling you, first we have done draw a line segment AB 5.8 cm. Second thing, construct angle EAB 60 degree. So from A more than half distance we have taken 1 R 60 degree. Clear? That is line AE EAB is 60 degree. Third step, construct the angle 60. First we have made 60 degree. After that, when we have done half, then we are getting 30 degree angle. Clear? So angle HBA equal to 30 degree angle. Clear? Then required triangle ABC is required triangle. Clear? Note down this. First question, exercise 10.5. Construct the right angle triangle PQR where angle Q90, QR 8 cm and PR 10 cm. Means in triangle PQR. Clear? Angle Q 90 degree, QR 8 centimeter and PR 10 centimeter. Okay, it is given. The right angle triangle, first we will make a rough sketch. PQR. Clear? QR 8, PR 10. Clear? So it is a rough sketch. Okay? So draw. Dry line cement, what? QR. How much? 8 cm. Step of construction you can write QR 8 cm. Clear? After that, on Q 90 degree angle, the 90 degree angle in previous part I told you, from Q with Q as a center, and we will take from Q more than half distance. Clear? With any radius. Clear? Whatever radius you have taken from Q to T, okay, that is fixed from T to 1 arc here and 1 arc here. Well, means U, V. Okay. After that, from V 1 arc here and from U 1 more arc there. Okay. After that, we will join. Okay. So this ray is W, QW. It is a 90 degree. Clear? After that, in the question, PR 10 centimeter. PR 10 centimeter. Clear? So we will take radius from scale 10 centimeter. Okay? So from Q, you will keep here and see wherever is coming 10 centimeter on the ray of QW, so you will cut one arc like this. Clear? This cut arc name we will write P. And distance is 10 centimeter. Clear? After that, join PR. Okay? Join PR. So QR 8 centimeter, QR 8 centimeter, PR 10 centimeter, PR 10 centimeter, angle Q 90 degree, angle Q 90 degree. Whatever areas in that we have done. Step of construction you know that how you will write. First step, whatever you have done in the figure, that you will write. Draw a line segment QR 10 centimeter with the Q as a center and construct angle 90 degree. After that, with the help of scale, we have taken radius from compass 10 centimeter, and from Q we will cut on ray QW. That cut point is P. Join PR. The required triangle PQR is. Okay? Note down. Question number 2 also you can do right angle triangle. Question number 3 I am telling you. Construct an isosceles right angle. Clear? So isosceles triangle means when two sides is equal, that is isosceles triangle. The third number question. In triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree and AC equal to 6 centimeters. Here and third side also we will take 6 centimeter. The clear. So we will make isosceles right angle means perpendicular and base both is equal. Then that is isosceles right angle. Okay, it is an angle C 90 degree. Okay, AC 6 centimeter or BC 6 centimeter. Clear? It is a rough. Clear? Two sides equal, that is isosceles right angle. Clear? Step of construction. One more time I am telling you. Clear? First step. First, what we will do? Draw a line segment CA. Draw a line segment CA. How much centimeters? 6. Draw a line segment clear. Draw a line segment CA equal to 6 centimeter. Equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? Clear? At point C, construct an angle 90 degree. So 90 degree angle from C we will take more than half distance. Clear? And here we will write D. Clear? From D, 1 arc we will make, it is E. It is 60 degree angle. Clear? And second arc, whatever second arc we are making, that is 120. If anyone is telling you, if anyone is asking you make 60 degree angle from compass, so you will make like this. Draw a line segment. Clear? After that, with the C as a center and take more than half distance, make 1 arc. And same radius. Radius you will not change. Whatever radius you have taken from C to D. From D to first arc you will make, that is 60 degree angle, and from E to F second arc you are making, that is a 120 degree. Clear? So 90 degree we want to make. So from F to 1 arc here, and from E to 1 arc here. Clear? So we will get one ray. Clear? Okay, this ray name CX. Clear? Okay, it is a CX. Clear? It is 90. So we will write here construct angle. Sorry. At a point C. At a point C, draw a ray. Which ray? CX, to making an angle XCA equal to 90 degree. Angle 90 degree. Clear? Third step. Third step what we will do? Third step, with C as a center. Clear? With C as a center, we will take radius with the help of scale. How much centimeter? 6 centimeter you will be measure. Clear? From scale. After that you will keep here. Wherever is coming on CX, there you will cut. There you will cut R. Clear? That arc name we will take B. A joint AB. This distance is 6 centimeters. Clear? Means with C as a center, clear? With C as a center and radius. How much centimeter? Radius how much taken? 6 centimeter. Clear? Draw an arc. Draw an arc where? Draw an arc that cut. That cuts. Clear? The ray. The ray CX at where? B. At B. Clear? And then required triangle ABC. And join AB. Fourth step. What we will do? Join AB. Join AB, then required triangle, then triangle ABC is required triangle. Clear? Once again I am telling you, in triangle ABC angle C90, AC equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 6 centimeter. Clear to you? It is a rough sketch, it is a fair sketch. Rough sketch why we will make? Because we are knowing how we can make clear. That's why rough sketch we have. So dry line with AC 6 centimeter. At point C, dry ray CX to making an angle 90 degree. Means with C as a center, we have taken more than half distance, make a R. Clear? From C to D, whatever radius we have taken, that we will not change. Clear? And from D to 1 arc here at E, and from E 1 arc at F. Clear? And from F 1 arc here, and from E 1 arc here. Then we are getting one ray CX. Clear? XCA, it is a 90 degree. XCA. Here, after that, with C as a center and radius 6 cm. With C as a center, we have taken radius 6 cm with the help of scale and compass. Clear? And draw an arc that cuts the ray CX at B. Means at C, on CX we have cut 6 cm radius at B. Clear? After that, join AB. Then we are getting triangle BCA या ACB. Clear? Triangle ACB is required triangle. Clear? ACB. So students, this chapter is completed with this exercise. Clear? Okay, thank you.